You would like to create a stunning, seamless transition to stun your friends or your social media following, and you want to do it directly on your smartphone, then make sure to watch this video as I will walk you through the entire shooting and editing process, all done on a smartphone and the Zhiyun Smooth 5S. And what's up everybody, my name is Julian. I'm the creator of SmartphoneFilmmakingPro.com, which is the ultimate online course about smartphone filmmaking. And today I will walk you through the entire process of creating a seamless transition. The one that we're focusing on today in this video is called the wall orbit. And overall, I have to say, creating these kind of seamless transitions looks much more difficult and much more complicated than it actually is. These kinds of seamless transitions can be used for your travel videos, for your cooking videos, for your family videos, for basically whatever video that you're shooting. This is just a very nice and easy way to spice up your videos and to bring them to the next level. And before I will show you the entire shooting process, I would kindly like to ask you to hit that subscribe button. As of recording of this video, more than 75% of all people watching these videos are not subscribed to the channel, and it is helping the algorithm and it's helping me as the channel creator to make more and better videos for you guys. So thank you very much. But now let's get started with the shooting process. For the shooting process, I was using the iPhone 14 Pro together with the Zhiyun Smooth 5S. This is currently my go-to smartphone gimbal and pretty much the best option that you can get in my opinion. In case you want to get more information about the Smooth 5S in general, then I will link you my review video up there. But basically all you gotta do, put your phone into the gimbal, make sure that you balance it correctly. That's the first thing and that's the basis for getting smooth shots. And the next thing that you need to do is you need to just find a nice wall where you can place your subject. I was in a parking area and then I was just walking around to see if I can find a few walls that are not looking too bad. And then I just placed my subject in the center of the wall and then I was just making a half circle around him. I tried to keep my subject in the center of the frame all the time and then I was just hitting the record button, making the half circle, and that's basically it. Next up, I was searching a few other locations and then I made the exact same thing. So I did the same thing 3 times, but you can basically do this like how often you would like it to do. It doesn't really matter. You can do this 10 times, but you can also only do it 2 times. It doesn't really matter. And that's basically it. That's the entire shooting process. I was using the native camera app. I was not taking care about my shutter speed. I was not using any filters, any add-ons whatsoever. Just my phone with the Zhiyun Smooth 5S. That's the shooting process. And now I will show you how you can edit this video directly on your smartphone. All right, welcome to the editing part of the wall orbit shot. And I will again be using my iPhone 14 Pro for this editing process. And this time I will again be using the app VN. So without any further ado, let's hop into the program. And as you can see, I have already imported 3 different clips. And yeah, I'll now just show you how you can edit them together in a nice, seamless way. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to find the starting point of this transition. And the starting point basically is by the time I start moving. So it's somewhere around here. So I will take that, just tap on it once and then say split and delete the rest of the clip. So then we play it back. And the end part is by the time the movement stops. So just before I stop the movement, you need to cut there, because if you have that portion also where you have already stopped your movement, then it won't work as nice. So make sure to split the clip up there again, and we can delete the rest. So that's basically the raw clip of the first shot of this transition. As you can see, looks kind of nice, nothing special. And now we do the exact same thing also with the other shots. So I'm starting the movement right about here. Zoom in a little bit. Split the clip, delete that. And then we also end it up here. Split the clip, delete that. And then I even made a third shot. And there we were doing the exact same thing. Split that up and again split that up and delete all the rest. And that's basically the transition, how it works. And now the only thing left is we need to add some speed ramp. And what I like to do with these kind of shots is I like to speed it up at the beginning, then slow it down in the middle, and then speed it up at the end again. So I will show you how that works very quickly. It's actually very simple. Just tap on your clip, and at the bottom you have speed. And then you can see you have a curve, and you can even add keyframes in there. You can basically, if you drag it upwards, then it gets faster. And if you slide it down, it gets slower. So like I said, I want to speed it up at the beginning. I want to have that even a bit longer. Speed it down, and then we speed it up again. Yeah. I think that looks pretty good. And now we will just do the exact same thing with the other clips as well. Now if we play the first two clips back, we should already have a nice transition. Yeah, we'll do the exact same thing with the third clip as well. Now we can play it back, and let's see if we can improve anything. Yeah, basically that's looking pretty nice. That's how you can do that. We could maybe cut off the clip a bit before that, or speed it up even a bit more. Maybe let's try if we can cut it here, if it looks a bit better. Yeah, that looks better. If you cut the second clip a bit further in the movement, it looks a bit more smooth. So let's also cut the end off here, split that up, delete that. And also with the next clip, let's do the same thing. Tap on it once, and now let's play it back. And now that's looking very nice. That's looking really nice. And that's how you can do that. In case you would like to learn more about filming with your smartphone, you can check out our totally free webinar where I share the top 5 secrets shooting cinematic videos with your smartphone. That will be the first link below that like button. And in case you have not seen the comparison where I compared the DJI OM6 to the Zhiyun Smooth 5S that I was using to capture this transition, then make sure to watch this video over there. Thank you, bye bye.